Okay, love bugs, there's a new innovative type of wig on the market. It's called Magic Lace and it's absolutely a game changer. Now you see this gorgeous wig here. I was able to not only install this one in literally like 5 minutes or less. The curls came already styled and ready to go. I literally just brushed them out like so. Did a little 1-2 zhuzh and we were ready to go. And if you think that's amazing, the icing on the cake with this wig is that it's magic lace. So not only do you get this beautiful, easy to install wig, but you get an extra piece here that you're able to literally clip on and go. So you have your 9 to 5 and then you have your 5 to 9 look, which you'll be able to switch up literally from the convenience of your home and get 2 looks in one. So I'm going to be giving you a straight out of the box install. You'll be seeing this beautiful pre-everything wig installed in under 10 minutes, and then you'll see how I flip the top back quite literally and then add this piece in to give myself a whole new complete look. Of course, this one comes courtesy of Eunice, because what other company on the market gives you such great innovation? They did their thing with this one. So I'll have a direct link and all the details on this wig down below, and without further ado, let's get started. Baby girl, I'm on a roll. I just filmed this makeup tutorial for you guys and I'm super excited because hopefully it will be up before the video you're watching right now. So watch this video and I'll have the makeup tutorial link so that you can watch how I got this beat. But today we are working with Eunice and we got not 1 but 2 pretty Eunice boxes. You guys know these are my favorite boxes. One is lighter than this one. This is the heavier one because we are working with the new and like very exciting and innovative magic lace. Feel like Eunice is one of those companies that always has something up their sleeve. They're always doing their best to try and like give us the new, the latest, the greatest, and like just come up with genius ways to make wigs so easy and convenient, and you know, to cancel out the middleman, if you will. Like, you gotta be able to do this stuff yourself. Like, the world is broke right now. We gotta be able to put a wig on at the crib. We don't have installation stylist money right now. Maybe later, but not right now. So when I open up my package, the first thing I see is that they did give us an information card, and I believe you can kind of fold it into a little book, but they had it open nice and ready for me to read. And this is a lot of information and language on the wig that we have today, and I want to show you guys they gave us tons of free goodies, which we will get to towards the end of the video. This here is our wig. Let me open her up. So we have one gorgeous wig, and I wonder what is, ouch, what's in this one. Oh, it's 918, my angel number, and my birthday, and the time my daughter was born, my middle daughter. Okay, so we got options here. This here is a gorgeous pre-everything wig. It comes with the curls already pre-styled, and then they gave us this little piece here, and this here is what magic lace is all about, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna be showing you live and direct how to take this and turn it into this, because this here is magic lace wig, which means you'll be able to remove the lace on this one and add this one. So say for instance you went to work, you did after school, you know, sports with your kids, and it's Friday night, 7 p.m. Friday, 95 degrees. Y'all know the rest. And you want to go and turn up and get some drinks and have some fun with your friends. You can literally stop at home, switch out your lace, touch up your makeup, and you can have a whole different look in literally a few minutes. So this one here is a pre-everything wig. So it does come with the pre-bleach knots, as you guys can see in there. And then the lace is also pre-cut, and it comes with that gorgeous scalloped cut. So you literally have everything literally done for you. And then this is a close-up of the lace. As I mentioned to you guys, this is actually removable, and which I will show you guys in just a moment, but from the naked eye you can't even tell because it was constructed so good. Even when you come this way, you can see in the back and the sides, there is no way to realize or detect that this is going to be removable. That is amazing to me. So let's go ahead and put her on, and we're gonna style her up, and then before you know it, we're gonna go ahead and adjust. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on. Let me just show you the curls from the back, which you guys already know they popping. You guys know my latest hack is I've been putting hairspray on my curls Before I put the wig on, I forgot to do that. We're gonna start off by doing our sideburns. So a little sideburns. This is a closure wig, so you want to be able to make sure that your sideburns are super slayed so that they match and blend. And then we're going to melt the lace and, you know, just give you a finished look for the vibes. Hey Google, set thermostat to cool.
Sure. Changing the bedroom to cool.
We're gonna bond her down, and we're gonna use a Care wax and the electric hot comb to melt her down. And then we will brush out the curls together, and it'll be like literally a 5-minute easy install before we switch and transform. Wow guys, so I can't even tell you how many minutes it's been, but I feel like it's been less than 10. I even went back in and like redid or like touched up here because I'm so extra and anal about making sure it's super flat and smooth. But I was able to get this done for sure in 10 minutes or less. It literally was a put on and go wig. I'm gonna take a little bit of serum and just kind of like press it into it just so we can add a little shine and a little finish. You guys see how that added like a little finish, but it's like a dry oil, so it's not going to necessarily like weigh the hair down. Like, don't put coconut oil on your fresh wig install. Like, if you're gonna do it, do something simple and subtle. And look at how gorgeous, beautiful, absolutely fire, vibrant. Now I did fire up the big bad boy, the big bag, and I was going to go ahead and touch up some curls, but genuinely we don't have to touch anything up. It's actually perfect. So this will be me being perfectly ready to hit the scene for daytime. Now I would wear this one out as well, but if I wanted to just, you know, sass it up, I for sure would do this bad girl right here. So they did go ahead and pre-curl it, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little holding spray to these so that they can, you know, blend in and already be set. This is what we're working with, girl. It's absolutely perfect, literally the perfect piece of lace. And it also is a closure wig exactly like this one. The only difference is we got a little party going on, we got a little fun color going on. So I'm gonna show you guys how I switch it out. Literally super simple and easy, and switch up the look. Gorgeous this looks. It's absolutely perfect, and it's the perfect little kick just to give you a little some extra. The install process was absolutely the same. And I think my biggest thing was like, how do I take first one off and put the second one on like without taking the wig off? And it was actually very easy. It's literally lined in Velcro, and then there are 3 hooks, one here and then 2 on each side to kind of reinforce it. So it's very easy. When you take the first one off, the base kind of like just sits on your head really nicely, and then you remove that one, then you replace the other one, and it's very, very, very easy. As long as you have a mirror to be able to see, you're good to go. So you definitely get like a 2-for-1 deal with this one, where you get your nice everyday wig and then you get your party wig. So I think it came out amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the outro. Okay, love bugs, so we are done with the look, and I want to show you guys the goodies that came in our box. We did get 2 boxes in one pack. package, which I thought was really cool. And in one box you did get this wig that you see here, and then the other one came with this beautiful magic lace. So in that box, the magic lace box, I did put the adjustable elastic band. I don't always use these, and so today was an example of a day where I didn't feel like I needed it. And as far as our goodies go, they did give us the ear tape, that Bye Bye Knots wig tape that we see so viral, and I got quite a few strips here. And then they also gave me some HD wig caps direct from Ft.UNICE. And then we got this little dust bag here, and inside we did get a second pack of HD wig caps. And then we also got our melt belt, which I did not melt the lace, and look at how gorgeous she is. It's gonna go up like 10 points when you see me add this on and let it melt. And then last but certainly not least, we did also get some press-on nails, and this is like a really pretty pink French tip, and these also are Ft.UNICE brand. And then in our second box, they did give us some more goodies, so I'll share. As I mentioned in the video, we did get this like care manual. Also inside of our package, we did get another set of that wig tape, and then we also got these beautiful bows, which I love so much. So I'm excited to go ahead and use this and do me a little look with a little tennis skirt and a little crew neck. And then they even gave us these, so if you want to do like two little pigtails right here and add them in, definitely super cute and trendy for the season. And then of course they gave us the similar little mesh bag that came in the other package, and this one does have your Ft.UNICE wig caps as well. So they spoiled your girls today. And then they also gave us another melt belt, and then they also gave us another pack of those little pretty pink French tip nails. So I got spoiled today, and I'm super excited. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.